Welcome to this channel. It's a Friday evening. I just want to share with you information on let me say, how I am able to be profitable in Forex, because different traders have got different approaches to trading. So I'll share with you what works for me. I talk to traders almost every day. They contact me on my WhatsApp, and as we speak, I am able to understand that most of them do not even know what makes one to be profitable, or they are not aware of the kind of information they should be looking for. It's like asking a question like, what is the winning percentage of your signals? That sounds like a good question, but it is not really a good question, because it shows that you are going to be fully dependent on your, let me say, on the signals, which is not right. First of all, you are not supposed to take a signal that you don't understand how it was taken or the strategy behind. That will never make you to be profitable. You can have signals from the best trader, you are still not going to be profitable. Never take a signal that you don't understand. You have to first understand the strategy behind before you can continue trading those signals. And I'm going to show you why. Okay, so without any waste of time, let me show you the things that make me to be profitable. Let's break this down. Maybe we'll find a clear trend. All right, first thing that I can say, you need to have a strategy. You need to have a strategy that you are trading. Okay, so for me, in my example, I trade key level breakouts. So in the market, there are certain areas that we refer to as key levels, important zones. And for me, very easy strategy: whenever price breaks through an important zone, I take a trade. Easy as that. Whenever price breaks through an important zone, I take a trade. A very simple strategy, but I am profitable with it because I have other practices on top of the strategy. All right, and I'm going to be showing you these things so that you know that it takes more than the strategy to be profitable. I can receive the worst signals and I can make money from those signals because I have understood the secrets of Forex. So far, I make about 50 bucks per day on average. Today I made 174. Yesterday, didn't quite make anything. I think it was $2. I had bad trades yesterday, and the day before it was 80 something or 70 something, can't remember. But on average, I make sure that I make 50 bucks. 50 bucks, okay? So right here, let's say I was trading. I would have marked the lowest point, and then that lowest point began right here. So when price closed above this, I would have taken a trade. Put my stop loss just below this swing low, okay, this is let's say this was a signal. I would have taken or sent this signal. Now, when I send a signal or whenever I take a trade, it's not a matter of my accuracy or what. In mind, I know that the market can go in any direction. This is just a simple prediction that I make using my strategy. Of course, it's a strategy that I've tested, but in mind, I do not tell myself that I am trading an over 90% strategy. I know that price can go on either direction. Now, the question is, if price moves against me, what do I do? If price moves in my favor, what do I do? Okay, that's what I have in mind. Every time I place a trade, I keep that in mind. If I have running trades, I check from time to time. Let's say after an hour I check, after an hour I check. There are things that I am looking for, and those things are the ones that maximize my profit. And I want to show you these things. Okay, let's say I took this trade. After taking the trade, to have a close look of what is happening in the market, I usually break it down to a lower time frame to be able to see these moves. I guarantee you the moves right here in this circle on the 15-minute time frame, this is a whole uptrend. This is a whole uptrend, so you are able to analyze it in deeper details. Let me just shift this so that you are able to see. Keep in mind, I have taken a trade in this direction. Okay, remember my strategy. I am trading key level breakouts, and I've entered the market right at this point. Now I wait for price to make a move. Price moves in my favor. That is good. That is wonderful. And then price pulls back. When price pulls back, it tells me that there is another important key level right there. Okay, so I mark that key level. Price comes back to close above that key level. After that, I mark this point where price reversed. Let me just extend it. I mark that point. Okay, and price comes to close above this key level. At this point, I add another trade when price closes above this key level. And let me show you this. If I break it down to a smaller time frame, like the 15 minutes time frame, I am able to catch the move right at this point. When price, the moment price close above a key level at this point, I place another trade or two more trades right at this point. And when price makes it to close above this other main key level based on the 15-minute time frame, I place another trade. I place another trade, and then I shift all my stop losses to this level now. I shift my stop losses to this level. On the smaller time frame, okay, let me just do this. Okay, let's say price is right here. It is moving upwards. Now I have entered these trades. I usually watch it from the 15-minute time frame. Okay, I watch it from the 15-minute time frame, and then right at this point, price is making rejections, showing that there is a key level right here. Another thing, once I am observing like this, I break it down to the 5 minutes time frame to have another close look. Now, when you get to the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that price right here made a pullback and then left a key level right here. Now, out of all these things that I've drawn, this key level is my focus. Now I expect price to bounce here and then close above this for me to know that price is going to continue in the upward movement. But then if price closes below this, the moment price closes below this, it's a sign of an early reversal in the market. Right away, I take all my running trades. Even if this was a 1 to 3 or a 1 to 5, right there, once price close below this key level, I take all my trades. I close everything, and When scalping, I might as well look to sell. But before I can sell, I consider other conditions from bigger time frames to see why price might reverse at that zone. And clearly this is a key level where price is likely to reverse. It was tested here, it was tested here, it was tested here, and really price is likely to reverse right there before it can continue in the upward movement, maybe. So it's like that. That is how I chase each and every trade to make sure that I get the most out of the trades. Now, let's say let's go back to the hourly time frame. Let's say I take a trade, let's say a buy trade right there. Just making an example, I didn't do any analysis. Let's say I take a buy trade right here and price goes against me, boom, I hit my stop loss, I do nothing, and guess what? I have lost only one single trade. But the time when I won, I ended up winning about 3 trades. That is my secret. I can take 5 signals and have only 2 wins from the 5. Only 2 wins, such that even the 2 that have won didn't even hit take profit. You find that they went up to that level before they came back. But from these 2, I am going to make my daily target, or even far more than that. That is how I am able to make it in these markets. Trading is an art. It's not just a matter of taking a signal from someone you trust and waiting for that signal to hit take profit. It's not like that. It's not like that. Most traders, especially new traders, when you send them a signal, what they are expecting is for price to just move in the right direction and hit take profit. Yes, that will happen, but it's less than 50% of the time. I can even say it's about 20 or 15% of the time that you have such trades. But are you able to get the most out of the half that the market is going to give you? You should be able to get the most out of that half. So please, if you had a different mindset into trading, hoping that you are going to subscribe for signals and make it, you will never have someone sending you signals and you becoming profitable from them. I know you might have good signals, but if you are not able to manage the running trades, you will never be profitable in the market. So I hope this information opens your mind. Thank you for watching.